Hi. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for building wealth in your business, bookkeeping. By the end of this video, you'll understand why keeping your books in order is the key to unlocking financial growth and stability. And don't forget, once you're done watching, head down to the video description. I've included some valuable resources to help you take the next step in your financial journey, including a free bookkeeping checklist and my top software recommendations. So stick around, and let's get started. Did you know poor bookkeeping is one of the top reasons small businesses fail? Let's talk about why bookkeeping is the foundation of wealth for your small business and how you can use it to thrive. Bookkeeping is the process of tracking your business's financial transactions. It's not just about recording numbers. It's about creating a roadmap for your financial journey. When you have accurate financial records, you can make better decisions, like where to cut costs, how to price products, and when to invest. Good bookkeeping also helps you identify profitable areas of your business and avoid cash flow issues. First, you'll never miss tax deadlines or deductions, saving you thousands. Second, you'll qualify for loans and grants because your books are in order. Third, you'll have the data needed to scale your business strategically. Here are 3 common mistakes small business owners make. Not separating personal and business expenses, relying on manual processes, and not reviewing their books regularly. Start by using accounting software like QuickBooks to automate your bookkeeping. Set aside time weekly to review your finances and hire a bookkeeper if you're too busy. Want more tips on mastering your business finances? Subscribe to my channel and contact TaxAce for my free bookkeeping checklist. And there you have it, why bookkeeping is the foundation of wealth for your small business. By staying on top of your finances, you're not just organizing numbers, you're building a roadmap to success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on growing your business finances. And don't forget to check out the video description below. I've included some valuable resources to help you continue your journey, like a free bookkeeping checklist and my top software recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.